Hey there, beautiful people. Are you tired of battling dry, brittle hair that just won't cooperate? Well, today we're diving into the world of DIY deep conditioners that will transform your hair from stressed to blessed. Trust me, your curls, coils, or kinks are going to thank you after this. Whether you're team natural or you've got a protective style in, these recipes are super easy, affordable, and packed with nutrients your hair will love. Oh, and don't leave early. I'm spilling the tea on my own deep conditioning disaster later in the video. Let's just say honey is not always your best friend. So grab your favorite bonnet, your deep conditioner ingredients, and let's get started. Why deep conditioning is a game changer. Before we get into the recipes, let's talk about why deep conditioning is absolutely essential for healthy hair. Think of it as a spa day for your strands. It's not just about hydration. Deep conditioning strengthens your hair, reduces breakage, and helps maintain that bounce and shine we all love. During winter months especially, when the air is dry and unforgiving, deep conditioning becomes your best defense against damage. So what makes a deep conditioner effective? Three things: moisture, protein, and sealing power. The right balance of these will leave your hair feeling soft, manageable, and oh so healthy. Pause this video right now, grab a notebook, and jot down these recipes as we go. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to give your hair some TLC. Let's jump in. Recipe 1. The Avocado Power Pack. This one is a classic. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, a few drops of essential oil, optional. How to use: mash the avocado until it's smooth. Chunky bits in your hair? No thanks. Mix in olive oil and honey until you get a creamy consistency. Apply it to freshly washed, damp hair, focusing on the ends. Cover your hair with a plastic cap and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Why it works: avocado is rich in vitamins A, D, and E, plus fatty acids that deeply nourish your hair. The olive oil adds moisture, and honey seals it all in. Quick tip: blend the avocado to avoid chunks sticking in your hair. Trust me, detangling avocado bits is not the vibe. Recipe 2. Banana and Coconut Cream Dream. For this tropical treat, you'll need 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of castor oil. How to use: blend the banana and coconut cream until smooth. Stir in the castor oil and apply the mixture to your hair. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes under a plastic cap or a heated bonnet for extra penetration. Rinse thoroughly. Why it works: bananas are packed with potassium and silica, which strengthen and soften hair. Coconut cream provides intense hydration, and castor oil is amazing for promoting growth. True story. My honey hair horror. So let me tell you about the first time I tried a honey-based deep conditioner. I was feeling fancy, so I whipped up a mix of honey, olive oil, and yogurt. I applied it generously, covered my hair, and went about my day. I may or may not have gotten distracted binge watching a show. Oops. So instead of 30 minutes, it stayed in my hair for 2 hours. When I finally rinsed it out, I realized my hair was sticky, like cotton candy sticky. Turns out, honey can crystallize if left on too long, especially when mixed with yogurt. Y'all, I spent an hour trying to rinse it out, and my poor edges were not happy. Lesson learned: follow the recipe instructions and set a timer. If you've ever had a DIY hair care disaster, share it in the comments. I need to know I'm not alone in this struggle. Recipe 3. Aloe Vera Moisture Balm. For ultimate hydration, you'll need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of glycerin. How to use: mix everything together and apply it to damp hair. Let it sit for 20 minutes under a plastic cap, then rinse with lukewarm water. Why it works: aloe vera is a natural humectant that draws moisture into your hair, while almond oil and glycerin lock it in. This one is perfect for combating dryness. Recipe 4. Greek Yogurt Protein Boost. For stronger hair, you'll need half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. How to use: mix the ingredients, apply to your hair, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Why it works: Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which helps repair damaged hair. The honey and olive oil provide moisture and shine. Recipe 5. Shea Butter and Argan Oil Luxury Blend. For this ultra-nourishing treatment, you'll need 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. How to use: melt the shea butter and mix it with the oils. Apply to your hair and let it sit for 30 minutes under a plastic cap. Rinse thoroughly. Why it works: shea butter is a powerhouse for moisture retention, and argan oil adds incredible shine. Jojoba oil helps balance scalp health. Pro tips for deep conditioning success: always start with freshly washed hair to ensure the conditioner penetrates properly. Use heat like a hooded dryer or heated bonnet for better results. Rinse with cool water to seal the hair cuticle and lock in moisture. Be consistent. Deep condition once a week for best results. Are you ready to try these recipes? Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss day 3 of this series. Thanks for watching. Loves. Remember, your hair deserves all the love and care in the world, especially during these dry winter months. Stay fabulous, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.